So welcome back dear students. So we are going to see today while loop. Friends, in our last session I have introduced you about the loops and for loop we have seen. So loop will execute a command or a block of code a particular number of times. So here the while loop is also work like the same, executes a block of code as long as specified condition is true. Just the difference is here syntax is different. So if we see the syntax is what? We'll write a while loop and here in the bracket we'll put a condition. Condition is true. If suppose the condition is true, then whatever statements are here, it will execute. And now we are having increment here. Increment or you can say decrement value here. Just like in the for loop, it was having in the here only, like for we were having x value, initial value, and then we were having the condition x is less than 5, then x plus plus. So friend, it was having for loop increment here only, it was given in the syntax. In the while loop, the increment is given inside of the loop. So friends, now we'll see the example of while loop. We'll write HTML, then a body tag is there, then we'll write a script language, JavaScript is there. Then here we are going to initialize a variable where is a keyword to declare a variable. Here variable name is I and its value is 1. We call it initial value. I'll write down here outside of the program, it is what? Initial value I. Then the main program is here while. We are writing the condition inside of the while loop while I is less than 5. Less than or equal to 5. Friend, what is this? This is a condition. If this condition is true, then the loop is going to execute this command right now here. I'm going to execute document.write. It is a command. Programming is fun. Or you can write anything. Hi friends. Then BR command is used to break the line. Then here is I plus plus. This is the increment operator. Then the body of the loop. Here this is a body of loop. This is a main loop here. Means this statement is going to execute as many times as the condition is true. Then we'll close this program. Script tag close, and then body tag we are going to close, then HTML tag is going to close. So friend, this is a one simple example of a while loop. Now we'll give their output. So what output will come here now? So first of all the program will come HTML body tag is here, then script is here, body where I is equal to 1. So first of all i's value will come here. 1 is less than equal to 5. Yes, it is true. I's value will keep here. 1 is less than equal to 5. Yes, so it will come inside of the loop and whatever is there document.write hi friends, it will print on the screen. Then I plus plus means now i's value become 2. So it will go and here come, it will check, means it will go like this inside. Then 2 is less than equal to 5. Yes, it is true. Again it will come and print hi friends, break line. Then I plus plus means 2 plus 1, now I'll get 3. So again 3's value check, 3 is less than equal to 5. It is true. After printing it will again come, it become 3 plus plus means 4. 4 is less than equal to 5. True. It will again come hi friends. Again 4 plus 1 5. 5 is equal to 5. It is true. It will come here, it become hi friends. Again one more time. Now 5 plus plus is what? 6. So 6 is less than 5. It is false. So directly loop come out of the here. It means script language close, body close, HTML program execution stops. So this is the output on the screen. This statement has printed 5 times as the while condition was true. So now friends, let's see one more example like of while loop. HTML, here it is a body tag, then we'll write a script language, Then now I am going to initialize my variable I as a 0. 0 is variable's initial value. Then the while loop will write here. While I is less than 5. Here I am taking only I is less than 5. Then inside I want to print a statement, document.write command will print value of I, and I want to concatenate with break line. BR is a statement for break the line. Then I plus plus will come inside of the loop, but in for it was coming here only. So now script language close. Now we are having body language close. So HTML language, HTML tag close. So now we'll see what output will come here. So first of all, the execution will start from here. HTML body script where I is equal to 0. So first of all, I's value is 0. While I is less than 5, it will come and check the condition here. This is a condition. So 0 is less than 5. It is a true. So as it is true, it come inside and print I. Means 0 will come on the screen first. Then break line, then I plus plus. I plus plus means 0 plus 1. It will go here. So 1 is less than 5, it is true. It will come and print 1. Then 1 plus plus, it become 2. 2 is less than 5, yes. It will print 2. Then 2 plus 1 here 3. Again come 3 is less than 5, yes. It will print 3. Then 3 plus plus is what? 4. So 4 is less than 5, yes. It will print 4. Now 4 plus plus means 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 is less than 5, false. So as condition become false, it directly come out and it will come here script language body and HTML, means this is the final output. So friends, as we have seen in the starting that loops are of two type, entry control and exit controlled. And exit controlled. So in the entry controlled we have seen for and while. For loop and while loop both check the condition at the initial step only. If the condition true, then only the body of the loop will execute. That's why they name as a entry controlled. But what is exit control? Exit control is different. In the exit control, it is going to check the condition while going, means at least once it will execute the main. So do while is a one example. In the do while, the loop will execute the code block at least once, even the condition is false, because the condition is specified at the end of the loop. So friends, now it is do while loop. So do while loop is a exit control loop. It will execute the command at least once, even the condition is false, and it is a variant of the while loop only. If you see its syntax, you will get the idea. Syntax is, first of all, we are having initial value, means first of all we'll declare the variable. Here it will come initial value. Then you will write a while. Then here first of all we'll write a do. Do means we have to perform whatever given statements here, and then here it is a while condition given. It is actual syntax. So while condition will come at last, means first of all it will do. Do means it will execute these statements, and then it will here come while condition, and in the do itself it is given the increment. Here increment is also there. So friend, in exit control loop, first of all the block will execute, increment will also happen, then while loop will perform its condition, means the condition testing will be specified at the end. Here it is at the end level it is given. So this is a major difference between entry controlled and exit controlled. So we'll see one program. First of all we'll write a HTML tag, then a body tag, then it is a script language JavaScript, so we'll write a script tag. Then initial value of variable is 1. Then we'll write a do. Do means will whatever given here will perform. So we'll write document dot write, and in the bracket we'll write hi friends or any statement which you want to print. Here we'll write a break statement. Then here we'll give I plus plus increment value to increase the variable value. Then here we'll write at the end while I is less than 5 or I is less than equal to, I'll take, this is a condition. Condition is given here. Then script language we are going to close, then body tag, then HTML. So now we'll see output. So this is the exit control loop. Note that friends, condition is specified here at the end of the loop, means irrespective of the condition, if the condition false or anywhere, the control of the program goes inside of the loop and it is going to execute first time, and the same process will repeat for the condition is to be checked. For example, first of all it will come inside of the loop, variable value is there, and do print this document.write. So it will print hi friends. This statement is printed without checking the value. Now I plus plus means I's value is 2 now. So it will go here downside and it will come 2 is less than equal to 5. So yes, 2 is less than equal to 5. So it will again go and print hi friends. It will come inside and print again hi friends. Now 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 is less than 5. Yes, true. So it will go and print again. So now it will become 4. 4 is less than 5. Yes, it is true. So it will come and print. Then 5 is less than equal to 5. So friends, note here, first of all, I's value what? 1. So for the 1 it printed and it came here. Then I plus plus 1 means I's value become 2. So 2's value it checked and gone up and printed this. Then it become 3. So 3 is less than 5, checked and printed this. And again it become a 4. For 4 it checked and printed this. And it become now 4 plus 1 5. For 5 again it checked and it came here. Now as it becomes 6, for the 6 this become false, so it will not give. So in this way the execution goes off for the do while loop.